Hello, everybody. Welcome to Bell CB. I got a President Richard. We're going to do a tune-up report or a output report. We didn't do a tune-up to it. This is for Jamie in North Carolina. Okay, we're going to start with the power set all the way at its minimum. This watt meter is set for 10 watts on the top scale. So all the way down, we got 2.5 watts. My peak power meter's got a 50 watt slug. So we'll be reading power in this middle scale. That's 20. Audio. So about 12 watts peak power there. Now I'm going to turn the power all the way up on the front. All the way up. It's a little over 10. Let's see. About 13 watts there. All right, now the peak power. Audio. About 52. Audio. I already took the bigger slug and tried it. That's why I know it's 52. There's audio. Check. Audio. And that is it. There's no other function to show you there. Just quick on the ear test.